Right. Let me see an equilateral triangular lamina of 25 mm side rests one of its sides on HP. It makes 45 degree with HP and the median inclined is 40 degree to VP. So we see this with the help of line command 0.13 mm thickness. First to draw XY and we can text the X and Y. Mention VP above reference line and HP below the reference line. It's a equilateral triangular lamina, so we have to make it 25 mm side on each. So 25 0, so 25 120, 25 240. So it's a equilateral triangular now, and first unite this by using group and 0.5 mm thickness make it. It lies on one of its sides on HP. So first we have to rotate the triangle, keep as it situated in one side located, move just a bit and near to the reference line keep it. We have to draw the front view of the triangle and text the corner, mention A, B, C. With the help of line command we can project this side AC and the corner B to the reference line to draw the front view, and mention A dash in bracket C dash and B dash here. Join the points. Okay, select 0.5 mm thickness. So this is the front and top view. Next the lamina makes 45 degree with HP. So select that, make a group of it with the letters so that it is easy to move and rotate. So move a copy, select to the end of the line, keep a copy over here and select the rotate option and make 45 degree. So select the center of rotation and end point, write the position angle here, we are going to give 45 degree so that now it is rotated. So now ungroup for making movement of this. With the help of line command again draw the projector lines downwards from A dash C dash, and from this top view A to A dash, B to B dash, C to C dash. We can text it the view A, B, C where the intersection occurs. Now join with the help of line command A to B dash, A to B, B to C, end of this. Okay, and line. Select the lines, make a 0.5 mm thickness. Now it's okay. And one of the median is inclined at 40 degree. So what is a median? So now we are going to draw the median and mention M1 in the first view, that is a true shape of the triangle, and after the inclination of the lamina joining the BM, BM1 is in the first view, that is a median, and this is after inclination, the median after inclination, how it appears. So now we have to draw the median incline with the 40 degree. We have to draw a 40 degree line to the VP with a point, and now we have to select the radius from the first median from the true shape of the triangular lamina. Draw an arc from the point B with the help of the radius 21.65, which is the median in the first view. Draw an arc and trim. Draw a line as a locus of the median M, and now we are going for this radius, which is inclined appears after the inclination, 15.31. Draw an arc with the arc command center point 15.31 from the same B in the locus line. Now it cuts here, so trim that also. Now join that point with B. Okay, so mention which this is M1 and this is M, the distance from the B. This is M1 point and this is M point. Now we have to move this with the median. We have to make a median over here. Move this B and keep it on that B. Now rotate. The median BM should coincide with this BM. Now this is the A, C and B. It is just to show the rotation of the triangle. Now draw the projection lines from the bottom, that is from the top view, towards the front to meet C with the C dash, A with A dash, B with B dash. Now we can mention the front views of it with the dash, A, B dash, A dash, B dash, C dash, and join with the line. We can join the corners with the line command. End of this A, end of this end point, join this. Now this is the triangle. What it is a solution over. We can check the angle of inclination, that is the median, and this is BM angle. We call it as beta angle. Dimension the triangle. Now this is the problem solved.